In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the number of days remaining from a due date in Notion. Whether you're tracking project deadlines, managing daily tasks, or you simply want a clear countdown to stay organized, this simple, step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know and help you stay on top of your work. First, open your Notion workspace and go to the page that contains your existing table or database. Once you're there, click directly on the table to activate it and make sure you're working inside the correct database. This step is important, so take a moment to confirm everything looks right before moving on. Next, look toward the top right corner of your table and click the option labeled Add a Property. When the menu opens, you'll see different column types you can choose from, and this is where the real functionality begins. From the list, select Formula, because formulas allow Notion to calculate values automatically based on your data. Now, name this new property something clear and helpful, like days remaining, so you always know what this column represents. After naming it, click on the days remaining column header and choose Edit Formula. In the Formula field, type date between, due date, now, days. This tells Notion to calculate the difference between your due date and today's date, and then display the result in days. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you already have a column called due date, confirm it's set to the date property type, and ensure each task actually has a date filled in. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent errors in your formula results. Once you've completed these steps, click Done to save the formula and return to your table. After that, you should be able to see the number of days remaining automatically displayed for each task without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to double-check a few entries to make sure the numbers look accurate. Taking this extra step ensures everything updates correctly and keeps your deadline tracking reliable. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to track how many days are left until each due date in Notion easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be struggling with deadline tracking. Why not make someone's day easier?